Some of you have been waiting for what's in this box. Today we're going to unveil what's in the box. Stay tuned. A couple of weeks ago we posted this box and we were going to unveil it, and today we're opening it up to let people know what we're doing, and here it is. So here you have it, the motor, and this motor is going to go in this Victory. We've already started taking it apart, and a few more things to remove, and we're going to set this thing up. Harness has been disassembled. We've got many different parts removed, and all this will go back together. Stay tuned, we'll continue with the development of this engine swap. Trying to access the throttle body. Motor mounts up here, back here, and under here. Swing arm will have to come out. Got the torque bar wrench on here. And it's coming along. Now that we've disconnected the motor mounts all along the top, removed the throttle body and disconnected from the frame, it's ready to pull out. So it's just sitting on the stand right now. So we're gonna move this over to a dolly and prepare the motorcycle for the new engine. Okay, we've completed assembly of this Victory cross country, swapped out the motor, tightened up all the bolts, put on all the accessories, done the oil change on it as well, filter, and now we're gonna go ahead and start it up. There you have it, folks. Another fine job at Motorcycle Enhancements. Make sure you hit the like button below. Subscribe while you're there. Hit the little bell. Hit that little bell so just you get a chance to get notifications on the next video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.